Never mind, I'm not going to go there. And I'll just say he got bitten.
Hey everybody, it's another episode of Street Smarts. I'm Tangerine, and today we're talking about sea creatures. What's your name and where are you from?
My name is William Basham, and I'm from Tacoma, Washington.
Abby, I'm from Virginia.
Jack Woltering, New Jersey.
Today's topic is about sea creatures. Are you ready?
Yo, but yes. No, but yes.
I think so. Let's do it.
True or false? Peeing on a jellyfish sting cures it.
Yes.
False.
False.
Ding, 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 ding. That is correct, Abby from Virginia. Great job. How'd you know?
Vacationing in the Outer Banks every year and trying it myself and it not working.
How did you get the pee on this? Never mind, it's none of my business. All right, when a jellyfish stings you, it launches a barb full of venom into your skin, and the acid in your pee is not anti-venom. So peeing on it will actually not stop the pain. It might actually cause a bacterial infection. You guys, stop pissing on your stings from jellyfish. Just don't pee on yourself, okay? Can we not pee on ourselves? Oh, you know what's wrong, but you said yes. Question number 2. What disease caused by house pets infects over half of sea otters? A...
Oh, there's options.
Multiple choice. Makes it easy for you, Abby. Is it A, rabies, B, salmonella, or C, toxoplasmosis?
Rabies.
B. That sounds stupid after I said it, but I'm going to stick to it. Let's do B.
I'm going to go with toxoplasmosis.
Ding, 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 ding. Abby's killing it right now. You are correct.
Right. I don't know what that means. I mean, it might be right, but hey.
We don't even know if that's a real word, but apparently that's...
That up. Y'all made that up. I know y'all did.
All right, it says here that this disease comes from a bacteria found in cat poop, and it gets washed into the storm drain and then the ocean where it does serious damage. Some species are endangered because of repeated infections. And this is why you should keep your cats indoors, people. You a cat person or dog person?
Dog person.
Me too. Hey.
I need that love in my life.
Exactly. We need the attention. And she has a beautiful dog over there in the shade, Lyra. Hey, Lyra. She knows her name. Final question.
It's on, but it's fine. I'll survive.
If you get this right, my money guy walks over here and gives you some cold, hard cash. Are you ready?
I want a money guy, and yes, I'm ready.
How many people? Did you just look over my shoulder?
I did, but I didn't see it. I promise. I promise.
If you get this one, okay, I'm changing the card. Because I can't trust Jack from New Jersey. You know what they say about people from New Jersey? I'm kidding. They don't say anything about people from New Jersey. I'm going to be nice. All right, here we go. How many people were killed by alligators last year? Is it A, 4, B, 57, or C, 126?
You know, I'm gonna go with the extreme for fun. So I'm gonna go with C.
4. A.
I'm going to say 4.
Ding, 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 ding. He got one right. 4 people were killed by alligators last year. Yeah.
I was about to say, if any more than that died, Florida, Louisiana, y'all got to figure it out.
He's correct. Ding, 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 ding. It's A. But that's the card he looked at. So I don't know if you really knew it or not. But good job, Jack. Good job. So people are always so scared of alligators, but guess what? Alligators are actually really shy around humans. Unless we go into their territory and start slinging fish guts around, they pretty much leave us alone.
And people go and mess with them.
Right.
Really, those people probably, it was their fault. Let's be real.
Trying to do TV shows and trying to front for the gram.
Yep. I just saw somebody do that the other day, and he got, never mind, I'm not going to go there. And I'll just say he got bitten.
Thank you, Dherbs.com.
Thank you, Dherbs.
Thank you, Dherbs.
Well, that's going to do it for this episode of Street Smarts. Darn, nobody won the cash again. But I hope you learned something. Let us know what you learned in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video, share, and subscribe. Until next week, yay, Street Smarts.